Hello again, Vacom community. My name is Jayesh, and today in this video we will learn how to configure Express Key Remote. So let's get started. Okay, now if we click on any of the links on the Vacom Desktop Center, it redirects you to Vacom tablet settings inside System Preferences. Now we can see there are three main sections in this window. One is the device menu, from where we can choose the device we want to configure, and the second is the tools section where we can select and configure the tools that are attached to that particular device. Finally, the third one is the application list where we can add and configure the application behavior with the selected tools. Double clicking on any device and tool allows us to rename them as per our need or convenience. Now first we will select our device from the list, that is the Express Key Remote named EK Remote. After choosing the Express Key Remote, shows three settings: Express Keys, Touch Rings and On-Screen Controls. Inside Express Keys we have another three sets named Outer Keys, Inner Keys and Ring Keys. Now clicking the Outer Keys shows us the option to configure the keys, which are present on both outer sides of the remote. Using these drop-down menus, we can configure these 8 keys. Inside this drop-down menu, we have another set of multiple menus to select between, like clicks, keyboard keystrokes with the modifier, undo and redo options, and tablet menu with precision mode. Below it we have complete navigation menu and application menu to open an application, and an on-screen control menu which we can configure separately under on-screen controls. After that we have a few direct options like touch on-off, settings, application defined button, disabled or default option. At the bottom right corner we also have a default button to reset all 8 keys to their default settings. Similarly, coming to the inner keys, we have a set of 4 keys present on the inner side of the remote. In the same manner mentioned previously, we can configure these as well. Nothing new in this. Lastly, we have ring keys located on the ring of the remote. Configuring them is again the same process as discussed previously. No difference in that as well. After that, we have an option to configure touch rings, which is the area located inside the ring keys. We can configure it in 3 different ways, which we can toggle between using the toggle switch located at the center of the remote. To configure these, we can select from the drop-down options like auto scroll or zoom, scroll, zoom, rotate or set a keystroke. Below is an application defined option followed by a disabled and a default option. Next we have a on-screen control options. Inside the panel box we can configure different types of panels which can be shown on your tablet screen itself using the custom buttons on physical tools. Clicking on the plus button opens a new window where we can give it a new name to our new panel. We can also choose between multiple button layouts for the panels like a 3x3 column or row, a 2x3 column or row, a radial layout and a 9x9 layout. You can also increase or decrease the size using the slider and a toggle for display at the cursor, that is where your cursor is. There is also an edit button to edit the selected panel, a duplicate button in case you want to duplicate the panels, and a delete button to delete the selected panel. Now on the right hand side we can assign a dedicated control to each button of our panels button using the key assignment menu. It contains the same drop-down menu we had previously inside Express Key settings. Now coming back to the device menu and switching to the Vacom Cintiq Pro 16, we can see some additional tools and a bunch of other options which we will cover in another video. Alright, that's it for today in the Express Key Remote Customization Tour video 2022. Catch you in upcoming video. Till then, bye bye, take care and be happy.